Hey everybody, it's Eric from Mature Minded Gamers. I'm going to show you how to export your video once you have everything done with it and you're ready to export it out with all your edits and everything. All you need to do is select the whole project. Just click up here around the top bar and you'll see the blue highlight around it. Go to File, Media. Give you a bunch of options. There's a bunch of different formats and it really depends on what you want to do with it. You'll have to do some research to see what you want. The H.264 is a really good video format. That's what I'd recommend. And if you want to do a preset, like if you're doing it for YouTube, they already have one built in. Recorded in 1080, you want it to be a 1080 quality, do there. If you want it to be smaller, 720p's right there, you can just set these and it's the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to do mine in 1080, and then I'm going to keep all the other settings the same. There's a bunch of stuff here. I don't know what it all does, to be honest, but you can look at it and determine if you want to make changes. Any of this stuff, but usually the presets is all I ever change up here. I want to change format for some reason. Then all you have to do is hit export. If you hit Q, it will wait until you're done doing whatever you're working on in this, so it kind of cues it to do it because it takes a long time to get the video ready and prepared and ready, basically into your format to get it processed, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But if you're done and you're not going to be using it anymore, just go ahead and hit the export button. It's going to show you the summary right here. If you look up here, it's going to show you where it's going to save it, what name it gave it. This video, which is 45 minutes long almost, is going to take 29 to 30 minutes roughly, it looks like. Now it's going to vary depending on your video card and everything, but it's going to be a little bit. So anyways, hope the video helped.